For somebody who's worked on the project for a few years and lives in Wagga, it's exciting to see the works transition from the western end out towards South Australia back towards Wagga.
We're close to commencing drilling and foundation works, so we're really moving on from that pre-construction early work stage into full construction now.
It's the sort of thing you'll drive along and look at and go, far out, we're part of that.
It's a once-in-a-lifetime project, and our business is very proud to be associated with the construction of it.